It is the day before I move in back to Cape Town. Move in with me.
She ain't got me feeling real loud. Now that me and Shawty time. Yeah. Fuck. Shots to you right here. Yeah. Slow just a little bit.
I would like to get to know it could be.
I'm in my room, my interim bedroom, because obviously I'm leaving. So that means that that's not my room anymore. My flight is at night. Is it at night? It's early in the morning. Yeah, it's fine. It's still the night. It's not. But still, yeah. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to start packing my bags. I'm going to start packing everything. I'm going to take the ring light. I'm going to take everything, put in the suitcase, and then pack my life. So, yeah. Yeah. The so-called sun kiss. But yeah, so now what I'm doing is packing. I did say that, did I not? Yeah. I'm also eating my favorite snacks from a very special person. But yeah. So I've been at the mall for the past few minutes. I've come to buy a few things that I'm gonna need, like this for pain relief when I come back from my soccer matches. I'm so tired. It's so weird being at the mall and talking to my camera. People are passing me thinking I'm crazy, but I know I'm not. But yeah, and I hope y'all can hear me. So yeah. I'm leaving in the morning, early hours of the morning, 4 a.m. I should be at the airport. Yeah, just here to buy an extension and some bandages, that deep freeze that I just showed y'all, and people are looking at me talk to my channel. But yeah, so that's that. And what's this now? Hello, hey yalla. Yeah, it is the day that I'm supposed to leave. I'm under time pressure. I need to finish preparing myself and everything within the next 30 minutes, which can be done.
One eternity later.
The boy had missed his flight and I had to rebook another flight quickly. So, yeah, too many technicalities, but eventually I managed to get another flight, and I think I'm late for that one as well, but I think I'm here. So yeah, I managed to make it right on time. I was getting a jump scare. I was like, oh, there's the flight. Okay, this is literally my 6th or my 7th flight in a space of 6 months or 5 months, but I'm late again. That's serious, but yeah, I'll talk to you when I talk to you. Peace.
Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my first love and I will hold me till I scream for every over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 I wanna deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Tired. I'm very tired. We've arrived at the airport. My phone switched off in the middle of the flight, so now I'm charging it. The only reason I'm charging is because I'm vlogging. See the things we do for YouTube. I had to literally walk around here looking for a charging spot, and here's my luggage. So yeah, I'm literally here. Crazy issues. But yeah, it's been a long day and the day just started. It's still the morning, but I'm so tired and I still have a lot to do. But yo. I'll talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Peace. At home. Back at home. Back at home. Back at home. That's your home away from home. And I'm back in my room. I'm back, y'all. So this is the before. You're gonna see after I've put everything in place and renovated my room. This is what up? He ate. So it's been how long? It's been plus minus 2 hours, and I've been waiting very patiently for the storage to open, because for the first semester we left all our things in the storage, like my furnitures and them. We left them in the storage. So now I'm waiting for an announcement to say the storage is open, so that I go to the storage to get my things. So yeah, now it's like 30 minutes left. I'm proud of myself and my patience. Yeah, I've been waiting. So all I'm gonna do is go get my things there in boxes, come back, put them here, and then go to the mall because I wanna buy something. Yeah, and then again most probably go see my friend Unati, the one whose birthday vlog I posted the video before this one. Check that out if you haven't. And yeah, otherwise back to the job now, back to the coursework. So
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind flow, 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 flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
yeah, and now I'm on my way to the mall. I want to go buy vine leaves. I don't know if you know them, but you'll see them. I want to put them on my wall. I've since been wanting to buy them, so yeah, now I'm going to go buy them. So yeah, I'll talk to you outside. Nati's waiting for me.
Hi vlog.
Hey vlog. This is Unatu, way shorter than me. You look short, dog. What's here? Please, shall I come in? Shall I come in?
One eternity later.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Gimana aku? Gini aja itu. On. Roy Clan boy. Roy Clan. No, I have my feeling. Okay.
To get my fill. No. Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry.
And say, oh yeah, I'm so tired. I've been unpacking and making my room look cute and all. So now what I'm about to do is, it's basically a before and after. You all see the before, and then now you're about to see the after. It's well worked. It required a lot of energy, but eventually got it done. Yeah, I'm back to my home away from home. Coursework is about to start in a few days. I'm back to YouTube. I was on a holiday, a very incredible one, amazing, absolutely enjoyable. And now I need to get back to the job. Unfortunately so. What I'm about to do now is reveal the room and then shapa a little room tour type of a thing, right? And then, yar. And there's the room. There is the whole room. There's the room, guys. Took a lot of cleaning. The before and after. It's just crazy. So wait for it. But yeah, now let me give you all a little room tour, right? Room tour. Yeah. So, my room number is 10 for soccer reasons. Football, not soccer. So, when you open the door, there is my ring light here. It is basically a security guard. Yeah, day in the life of a content creator. And then there's a telephone here. I don't know if it's for room service or to report problems, but it does, and it doesn't bother me because I don't use it. Then there's the bin there. Then there's me. So when you enter, this is what you see when you enter. You see this flag, Air France, on the wall, right? Then you see my shoes. Others I'm wearing my football boots are in there somewhere. And then yeah, I have these things here. I still haven't, for those who have watched my vlogs before, hopefully you have. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go watch all my videos. For those of you who've watched my vlogs, you know that here it's supposed to be snacks, food, noodles, and everything, but yeah, I just arrived, so it's fine. And then my laundry basket, then is my rocker thing, then okay, my football there. Then you come over to this side. Okay, my stuff, the curtain. This is study space, the very famous YouTube area. It's from here where I take all my study tips videos. From this angle, this is what you'll see, right? And then yeah, that's a chair for if I'm studying with someone there. And then basically a table, no, not a table, bedside pedestal. And then yeah, my chart, the wall. And then limits, derivatives, calendar, getting ready for August because July is here. And then there is my bed. There is the vines there. And yeah, it's a single room. So for those of you who know, it's either one off or the only race rather at UCT where every room is single and you don't share with anyone. Maybe it's the only male race where you don't share with anyone. So it's a bachelor race, and yeah, so I don't have to tell someone's son that I'm leaving. I leave at my own time, come back at my own time. Yeah, so that's a room tour. Yeah.